Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time you guys are watching. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm not gonna make this intro very long, so yeah, without further ado, let's go to Armin's HQ and let's start working. So while the engine is out, it's easier to replace this. I just want to show you what's happening here. See, I'm holding this thing firm and that is too much play. So we're gonna replace this collar quickly.
I'm sure you know, I'm gonna get the other one now.
Yeah, you can show the comparison. Yo, what's a game, bro? I wonder if that is the same by me. That's why I have it play.
Let me check. Get the other one. Jadi nó có thể làm mà tại sao mà cãi với
This one's on my bolts, bro. Let's go ahead and have klomp funny stuff.
No.
Where's the other one?
Same size.
It's the same as this. That one is fixed.
Gì tụi ông?
Last one.
Mà sao được? Nói sao? Đang có. Nó sốt luôn rồi. Đó. Đó.
Mày off. Huh?
Cho nên lost here.
Come out the second.
Để chúng ta quất. Chúng ta quất.
Nine.
Nó ra.
Another one.
Rồi rồi. Sẽ tụi ông. Ai ai cho con Aku dah tinggal ni je. Kadang nak spot ni tu. Ayam tu nak kau.
Hindi demo. This battery is now gonna go outstage me, bro.
Yeah. Don't want to come out. Staan is het kreeg die niet meer. Je moet dit komen staan. Dus niet meer jadi apa gemaakt. Dus hier is het jauh meer apa juga. Ja.
Zij is not the extra rabo.
Oh, niet something. Niet is het. $300. Magkaya ba?
Dus je kijkt op het op iets gris on dat.
Ja. Dan moet ik wel terug. Kom hier. Ja. Cek aan tadi. Maar hari ini dulu tuh, dorong. Cek nih.
Wat is dat voor een?
Dat is stukjes.
Oh.
Zie. Moet zo pijlen gewoon. Dat is nou man, dat is nou kan ik ook. Zie nou kan ik ook.
Maar is maar iemand in wat het trouw.
Nee.
Mag ik een stop joh?
Ja.
He's no way because it's not gonna be play because this thing is now it's too stiff. So there you guys can see the play is gone. This thing is solid. Like why? Now it's just to fit the engine. But you guys already the engine's already fitted already. This is now the pulse of the future. Okay guys, so now we gonna we actually bought this exhaust, the one that's laying on the floor now. And you guys will never believe. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to guess how much we paid for this. Okay, not 5 minutes. Can you guess? We paid actually 350 rand for this entire exhaust system. It was a bargain that we couldn't let go. So yeah, so the only thing now is we have to make it work. Because obviously this thing had a bronze on, as you guys can see there. This one was the original exhaust, but we used it on the other car, not knowing that we were gonna blow this car up. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut it now and then try to join it onto that one. So in order for me to fit the tails, I have to cut out a section of the rear valence, and what I'm doing now is I'm using masking tape just to mock it up a bit to not cut too much from the rear valence, and I think I might also just hammer it out a bit. I'm not more freestyling here, I don't know this. Huh?
But you still need to go to
I'm talking about this.
But you did cut yours though, dear.
Yeah. Shortcut. Is it big?
Yeah.
Guys, we ran out of storage space, but as you guys can see there, we mocked it up. That's how we want the tails to lay. I just knocked it. I knocked it a bit. First cut it out and we knocked it there. See if I can get this a bit separated. There we go. So that's how we want it. I just tack welded into place. In front as well. So now we have to take it off and then weld it properly. So before you guys comment to saying that why is there so many welds on this exhaust, this is a second-hand thing. This is just for temporary purposes because this is a budget build, as we mentioned before. So yeah, we're just gonna now weld it up there. And guys, I'm not a professional welder, so please just that in the tails is a bit off here, but actually a lot off. But if you look again from the inside, it looks alright. Looks okay like it. So I'm just gonna go with it. After all, it is just for now, and yeah. It's lekker mee, bro.
Ja.
So guys, there we go. It's all welded up. It's not the prettiest of welds, but so long it's serves purpose. You guys can see that even those people messed up. So for a person that is not everyday welding, I think it came out alright.
Slowly. You turn it that way.
Which way? The other way.
Move it a little forward. Turn now. Oh,
I don't know if you guys can remember that the plate on there was off, but now we're gonna make our own thing. I'm thinking of making something like this. I'm gonna use this bracket and then bolt it in there with a 10 millimeter, and then this thing is just gonna be like that, something like that. Yeah.
boleh kan dapat ke ini apa sih bisa itu no itu hadis dia but we must just clean the thing for
So it's been a few months after the last clip that you guys just watched, so we ended up deciding to spray the tappet cover and the intake and the, not actually sure what that other thing is called, but it's for the distributor, with the distributor house on. And yeah, as you guys can see here, this was my first coat of paint. But what do you guys think of this color? This is not actually the color that is going. This was just like a undercoated dummy. And you guys will see the actual color now on the car. Yeah, so here's the color. As you guys can see, this is the final outcome. But we still have to like do the lettering. We're gonna do that on another time. But what do you guys think of this color comparing the other color that we had on now, that you guys just saw previously?
Pada isap pala yun. Isap pala yan. Masarap, dilamang ko yun. Okay. Isa ada ko yung doon na to na training sa mo. Di ka po up no? Dudutin po begin. Doon na ako. Pato din na right. Ano sana ko dulu. Nou, dat is voor wie? Dat is wel om dat ik houd. Ik heb dat graag mee, maar we zijn weer nou. Eten kan. Je wil los. Wat ik ken is. Nice, je wil dat je? No. Ja, je wil.
Kan ze jou dan op video? Kan we eens keer bij doen? What did you say? What size is that you're using now?
I don't know, 0.25?
0.25 is the actual thing, yeah, but 0.20, now sitting it like that because yeah, the syntax so on already. So yeah, that's done. The tap is all shit, and yeah, let's do our first initial startup on the channel. Good. There's a little bit of a noise there, but probably will settle. It's yeah, the exhaust sound at the flip. Let me give it a rev go there, a slide. So it is a little bit smoky, as you guys can see. We haven't redone the engine. We will be doing that in future. So yeah, let's go for our first try. So just a little backstory. This car was automatic. For those viewers that haven't watched our previous videos, you can go check that out. We converted it to manual, and yeah, this is our very first drive that we are attempting to take right now. And yeah, so the car was auto, so it hasn't been driven hard. So we're hoping that there's nothing gonna go wrong. So yeah, let's go. Ah, way from outside, me bro. Let's see. Yo, finally moving on his own feet, no? After so many months. I want to feel lekker. But how does it feel for you?
It's nice, yeah, really.
To be honest with you, no, it feels better than my car.
Just small stuff for the
Suspension work and stuff still, no?
yeah, ball joint, socks.
Yo! Nice. This thing ride lekker. Nice. So yeah, as you guys can see, there's is al klaar nou. Let's go now. Maar dat sound like tippers, man.
Tippers, ja. Maar die tippers zitten hier.
Nah, this was a nice drive. The tippers is still a bit noisy. You're probably gonna have to readjust it, but yo, nah, it drive nice. There's the final. That is gonna be it for this one, guys. I'm truly grateful if you watched this far. I know it was a bit long, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do comment down below if you guys like this type of long, lengthy videos. Do you want it shorter, or is it okay like it is? Because without your help, I won't know if I'm doing a good job at it. And on that note of talking of a good job, a lot of you guys have requested of me actually doing your vehicles. On that note, to be honest with you guys, I don't actually want to take on work right now. The work that you guys are seeing on the channel is actually like close friends and family that I'm actually helping out. So there was a few jobs here and there that we have made some profit, but it's barely profitable. I've been doing this like for more than 15 years now, and I don't see any benefit like in financial terms. So I'm a little bit stuck on what I want to do as a career. This is actually my career. I am working for someone doing this, but to do it on your own as an entrepreneur it's a bit tough. So guys, please bear with me, and I apologize humbly that if I'm not taking on your vehicles. I do like helping in any way where I can, but as a term of business right now, I'm gonna hang down a bit on the work, on terms of work. So please, I really apologize. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.